Trading isn't about pure speculation. It's about research and analysis. Professional traders usually apply two types of analysis: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So, what is technical analysis? Think of it as reading the market's diary. It's basically studying historical price movements and patterns to speculate where the price might go next. Instead of asking why prices move, technical analysis asks where and when. You're looking at charts, identifying trends, and using indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, and moving averages convergence, divergence, or the MACD. It's like being a detective, spotting clues in the price action. It's the same across all markets: forex, stocks, commodities, crypto, you name it, as long as no major event interrupts the trend. Fundamental analysis is the why behind price movements. Here, you're digging into the real-world factors that drive asset values. In forex, that means tracking data such as interest rates, inflation, GDP, and central bank policies. Trading stocks? You'll look at data like company earnings, revenue growth, and industry trends. Commodities? Think supply and demand, weather patterns, and geopolitics. Fundamental analysis is about understanding the bigger picture. It's perfect for long-term traders who want to know if an asset is undervalued or overvalued. So, which one's for you? Technical analysis or fundamental analysis? Well, it's not about choosing one over the other. It's about knowing when each approach works best. Technical analysis works best for short-term trades, coupled with little to no real-world events affecting the asset. Scalping, day trading, swing trading. This is where technical analysis shines. Fundamental analysis is your go-to for long-term positions or when real-world updates are beating the patterns. But you don't have to choose. You should combine and make one your main analysis as per your goals and trading style. Use fundamentals to find what to trade and technicals to identify the best entry and exit points. In trading analysis, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Your trading style, your time frame, your strategy, these all matter. Technical analysis gives you precision and timing. Fundamental analysis gives you context and direction. Master both, and you'll have a complete trading toolkit. Ready to put this into practice? Head over to your Deriv MT5 for technical analysis and Deriv blog for all the market updates you need for fundamental analysis. And of course, you can put your skills to the test with a risk-free Deriv demo account.